Our next item is Bhama Pravesam, a Pravesa Daruvu from Bhama Kalapam, a dance drama of unsurpassed beauty, a crown jewel of Kuchipudi composed by legendary Sri Siddhendra Yogi. Satyabhama, a beautiful yet vain queen of Lord Krishna, is a candid and vivacious character in Hindu mythology. Her beauty, her vanity, and her candor have endlessly fascinated playwrights and artists over generations. Sri Siddhendra Yogi was no exception. Folklore has it that young Siddhappa was saved from drowning in Krishna river by the Lord himself. In exchange, he vowed that he will renounce all worldly pleasures and will lead a life of sannyasi, an ascetic, in devotion of the Lord. From then on, he saw in all women, including his wife, the image of Satyabhama, who loves her Lord passionately and is unapologetically possessive about him, refusing to share his affections even with his Patta Mahishi, Rukmini. From this thought of Sri Siddhendra Yogi emerged a bhakti movement called Madhura Bhakti, or Bhama cult, where like Satyabhama, each devotee imagined Lord Krishna to be the supreme lover and longed to unite with the Lord and keep him entirely to himself. It is said that during this period of longing for the Lord, Yogi Garu poured his heart out in song after beautiful song, which together became his seminal dance drama, Bhama Kalapa. Bhama Pravesam is a Pravesa Daruvu from this work. In Kuchipudi, Pravesa Daruvu is traditionally an item where the dancer introduces the traits of the character that she is playing. Here, the dancer portrays Satyabhama, her vain demeanor, her possessive nature, and her supreme confidence. She knows that among 16,000 queens of Lord Krishna, she is the delicate one, the most beautiful one, like Chamanti or chrysanthemum flower, or perhaps like a Cupid's arrow, or perhaps a bunch of blooming flowers. She boasts of being an astute queen. Because of her beauty and the happiness that it brings to Lord Govinda, this daughter of King Satrajitu prides herself as being a great feast to the Lord. She yearns to be with her Lord, her heart sinking when she has to share him with others. Set to Ragam Bhairavi and Talam Misra Chapu with dazzling choreography by Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam Garu, here is Sindhu Tumpali with Bhama Pravesam.
తదిగినతో తక్క తదిగినతో తక్క దిక్కు తదిగినతో
నందమున నందమున గోవిందునకు నెరవిందునై నందమున నందమున గోవిందునకు నెరవిందునై నందమున నందమున గోవిందునకు నెరవిందునై నందమున నందమున గోవిందునకు నెరవిందునై
తదిగినతో తందజం తందజం తదిగినతో తందజం 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 తరిగినం తరిగినం తరిగినం
నందనందనుడెందు గానక బెల్లమాందున క్రోగుచుండ నందనందనుడెందు గానక బెల్లమాందున క్రోగుచుండ నందనందనుడెందు గానక నందనందనుడెందు గానక నందనందనుడెందు గానక నందనందనుడెందు గానక బెల్లమాందున
తరిగినం 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 తత్తిందగ తగదిమి తగదిమి తక్కిట్ట తత్తిత్త అలత్తిత్త తం తం కిడక తరిగినం తత్తిత్త అలత్తిత్త తం తం కిడక తరిగినం తత్తిత్త అలత్తిత్త తం తం కిడక తరిగినం
ೂರಿವೆ ಸತ್ರಾಜಿತ್ತು ಕೂತುರೆ ಕಿಂದರೆ ನೋಡ ೂರಿವೆ ಸತ್ರಾಜಿತ್ತು ಕೂತುರೆ ಕಿಂದರೆ ನೋಡ ೂರಿವೆ ಸತ್ರಾಜಿತ್ತು ಕೂತುರೆ ಕಿಂದರೆ ನೋಡ ೂರಿವೆ ಸತ್ರಾಜಿತ್ತು ಕೂತುರೆ ಕಿಂದರೆ ನೋಡ
ತತ್ತಜಂ 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 ತಜಂ 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 ತಜಂ
ನಾದು ಮಗನಿಗೆ ವಾಸಿತಾದ ಜಲಕಯುಂದಟಿದಾದ ನಾದು ಮಗನಿಗೆ ವಾಸಿತಾದ ಜಲಕಯುಂದಟಿದಾದ ನಾದು ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಬಾಸಿ ನಾದು ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಬಾಸಿ ನಾದು ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಬಾಸಿ ನಾದು ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಬಾಸಿದಾಡ ಜಾನಕ
ತರಿಗಿನಂ ತರಿಗಿನಂ ತತ್ತಿಂದಗ ತಗದಿಮಿ ತಗಜಿನ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿ ತಕ್ಕಜೆನ್ನು ತಿಮ್ಮಿ
ವೈಯಾರಿ ಮೋದುಲ ವೈಯಾರಿ ಮೋದುಲ ವೈಯಾರಿ
ತಗದಿಮಿ ತಗದಿಮಿ ತಗಜಿನ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕಜೆನ್ನು
What a beautiful solo performance by Sindhu. Let's give another round of applause to her.